better come in here and play. Don't stop playing on my account. Girl, get her. Get her. Oh. Sweet girl. You giving Olive a little submissive kiss? So sweet. Good girl. Licking her in the ears. He's the only dog who's ever thought Olive was dominant over her. So sweet. It's okay. You girls are so good. So good. You stop barking. That's obnoxious. Get her. Get her. Yeah. Get her, Pearl. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Okay. Good job. Very good job. Good job. Good job. Good job, Pearl. Shh. Sit. Sit. Sit, Pearl. Good girl. Good girl. That's my sweet girl. Sweet girl. Sweet girl. Sweet girl. What a good girl she is. And you too. Say hi, everybody. We usually leave it to Rosie, the other one, the big pit, to indoctrinate the little ones, the new ones. This is really very special. Good girls. You're very good girls. Very good girls. You're very good girls.